Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to do a little walk around and highlight some of the, add-ons on this 2026 Gladiator Rubicon White Cap Edition. And we're going to jump straight into it, and I'm just going to kind of point out all the add-ons you get with the White Cap Edition. You get the gloss white grill insert. Along with that, you're going to get the white Rubicon decals on both sides of the hood. You're also going to get this white striping that runs along the driver's side and passenger side of the vehicle. And of course, you got the white cap or painted white three-piece hardtop. Kind of giving me like a cream, orange cream soda vibe. I think I like this one a lot better than the purple White Cap Edition Wrangler or the Anvil. I think this really fits well. You're also going to get the white four-wheel drive decal on the tailgate. Other than that, I mean, that's all the highlighted items that come along with the White Cap Edition. So you got the decal, the Rubicon decals on the side of the hood, the painted grill insert up in the front, and then you also get the white three-piece hardtop. And of course, standard with this, you get the front and rear steel bumpers. You're also going to get the machine face with black pocket Rubicon wheels, rock rails. Heck, this thing even comes with the painted fenders, dual vented hood. Interior, nothing has changed. You still got the black Nappa leather with the red Rubicon stitching. Here's your 12.3 inch touchscreen display. This thing's going to feature the Uconnect 5. This thing also has the cold weather package, so you got the heated steering wheel, heated seats, remote start, front and rear lockers, all the auxiliary switches, off-road plus mode. As we make our way to the back, you're also going to get the Bedliner, very handy to have, rear sliding window, and of course here's your LED tail lights, rear steel bumper. You're also going to get the tow package. So I mean, this is a very well spec'd out Gladiator Rubicon. You have to let me know down in the comments what you think of the White Cap Edition. I think this color, the juice orange, suits this package very, very well. Like I said, it's giving me like an orange creamsicle kind of vibe. But also, if you kind of stay tuned for, maybe the next couple weeks, we're going to be doing a build on this one here at Cross Jeep. Going to do a little lift, put some aftermarket wheels on it, and some 37-inch tires. Other than that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're interested in this one, please give us a call at 502-537-1738. You can also check out our website, you guys, crossjeep.com. We got a ton of new and used inventory in currently, so be sure to check that out. Other than that, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.